Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and today is a Sunday, and on Sundays I like to look at certain indicators to see where the health of the market is heading. So 4 days ago I created a video that said the markets are about to tank. So I want to update that video today. I want to discuss gold and the volatility index to see exactly where the market is heading. Because markets are fluid, constantly moving, they're constantly changing. You can't base a prediction off of one day. You have to see where trends go. You have to constantly be on top of your game when you're looking at charts, because one thing can switch and the whole thesis could go left. So right now we're looking at gold on the daily time frame. So when I made that video, we were actually breaking out on gold's chart. So as we could see here, we were following this trading channel for about a couple months, and then we finally broke out. And if you remember, when we broke out here, the markets were tanking. The overall markets were down about 2% when gold was up here. So it did instill a little bit of fear in investors, and I also thought this was going to be a breakout in which the markets were going to start to tank. But now that we've moved past that, we have seen that that gold breakout was a false breakout. You can see since then we have dropped right back into this trading channel, and if you've noticed, the markets have been very green. So now if I'm looking at this chart, the markets actually may run up a little bit more because there is no sign yet that these guys are going to break. I was waiting for this back test. When we back tested, we couldn't hold and we broke through, which is a good sign for the markets to keep heading higher. So with gold, what I am looking for is a back test here of this support line, and to see if we continue to trade in this trading channel that I have made. I'm very curious. I like to follow gold, and every week I like to look at gold to see where the markets are heading. So when I look at gold, I also have to look at the volatility index. So right now we're looking at the VIX on the daily time frame. And when I made that previous video, we were at this point right here, this big green candle. We were on the rise, and I expected this chart to keep moving forward. But the beauty of the markets, and because they're fluid, you always want to stay on top of the game. This is why I constantly like to update, because charts can change like this, and that can change the whole dynamic of trading. And so now if you look at the VIX since then, we have cooled back down, and we are heading back down to the support level. And like I said before, when the VIX goes down, the markets go up. So we've seen that the last couple of days the markets have been going up, and right now there are no indicators telling me that the markets are going to crash in the short term. Again, I always look at gold as my number one to see where we're heading, because if gold starts to shoot up, the markets will start to tank, and that's just how it goes. So I will always keep you guys as updated as possible on these charts. Markets look very healthy. I am looking for a nice week in the markets this coming week. I can't wait. It's a Sunday. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I'm on the road to 1K. It would mean a lot if you guys would just press the subscribe button. But I'm Dummy Boy. This is Dummy Boy Finance, and I will see you guys in the next one.